The overall goal of this protocol is to facilitate the consistent preparation of human cadaveric femora for computed tomography, or CT scanning and mechanical testing in a sideways fall on the hip configuration.
This method can help answer questions in the field of osteoporosis research about bone imaging and bone biomechanical properties.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is a comprehensive procedure for preparing proximal femurs in a reproducible manner for bone fracture research.
Begin by covering 4 5-pound rice bags with plastic bags to prevent their contamination and protect the DEXA surface with plastic-lined paper. Transfer 2 of the plastic-wrapped rice bags onto the scanner table. Then, lay 2 24-hour room temperature thawed femora on top of the rice bags, such that the proximal ends, including the femoral heads, are centered on the bags with the posterior sides facing down. Cover the exposed anterior proximal femur end with the other 2 rice bags, and position the machine head over the proximal femur. Now select the femur exam in the machine software interface, and position the arm on top of the cadaveric femurs. After analyzing the bone marrow density, an automatic T-score will be generated, classifying the bone as normal, osteopenic, or osteoporotic. Before beginning the bone modification,